single most often asked question I hear is, how do I keep my knife edge sharp? The answer to that is twofold. There's alignment with a steel, a honing steel, and there's the use of abrasives, which would be sharpening. So we want to make sure that we know the difference between alignment and sharpening. A knife edge has grain, just like wood, and on that grain at the edge, it gets little microscopic teeth. Those teeth need to be kept aligned, just like straight up and down, if you will. I'll use my hands to demonstrate, like this. Straight like this would be alignment, perfectly aligned, the most efficient edge you can have. As you push down on the board, the steel tends to give a little bit. And if you don't push right, push left with the honing steel, you'll end up folding your steel, and it'll be very dull. So, the honing steel is used for alignment. Then if you damage the edge and it has little nicks, dings, chips, or any kind of abrasions on it, you're probably going to have to use something with abrasive quality, which is something like a mortar stone. So, on a stone, you're going to be removing metal and raising the edge, and that is the real key to the removal of little nicks or abrasions, is to raise that edge. It's not necessary to do it unless you have nicks, dings, or chips on your edge. So, what we want to do firstly, of course, is use the alignment tool. If we need a more severe method, we use the abrasive tool, which is called sharpening, and it's something like a water stone. Those are the two things you need to know: alignment versus sharpening, in order to maintain your knife edge.